Okay, continuing with Blue Moon, we're now going to add a lowered third, which is a blue note. And typically the blue note is played like a lower neighbor or a slide, sliding down or sliding up. Because what it would be in a horn instrument would be literally you slide with your mouth. And we can't do that on the piano, so do it with the note there. So all you have to do is say, okay, let's add that note. And that little blue note works very, very nicely. And again, just work for a little motive that you like and continue that. All right, I'm going to go ahead now with the rest of the tune. The rest of the tune keeps with the same progression, except there's a slight change when we go, let's see. And then it goes 2. 2 and a 5 and a 1, 6. 2 and a 5 and a 1, 1. Now, it goes to the key of A flat and plays B flat minor, E flat 7, A flat major. Then it comes back to a C6 and a G7. And then back to your G minor and your C9. Then it begins over again. Now the B flat minor, E flat 7 is actually in the key of A flat. Is a 2, 5. So there's 1, there's 2, which is minor, 5 is E flat major or E flat dominant. So I'm doing that one like this. There's your B flat minor 7. To get your E flat dominant, you just drop your top 2 notes. There's your E flat. To get your A flat major, you just drop your bottom 2 notes. And there's your A flat. Alright, then it just actually does a little cadence in the key of C. C, G7, and then it goes back to either a straight C7, or you can hit the G minor first. G minor, C7. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and play that B section. So we played. You could improvise on that same section the same way with the pentatonic scale. But when you get to this, you actually have to think about those chords. So I'm B flat minor, E flat major, A flat, C major, G, C. So I'm going to take that second section. So we've gone that's just showing a way you can work with that blue moon. And there's so many wonderful things you can do with it. You can play the actual tune. Put it in a stride. You can play the tune with the chords in the right hand. So there's so many things you can do with that, and then based on that you're going to develop your own composition. So now if you want to start thinking about, all right, I'm going to do those chord progressions, and now you can arrange your chords. So here's, maybe you're in a restaurant.